Think I can see a fucking halo. About to meet my maker, brought a double cup of Drano. Some soda for the flavor, uncontrollable behavior with some psychopathic tendencies. Lonely as your neighbor with the bitches, he got special needs. Word to my denim fiends, I'm Kennedy on ecstasy. My flavor from the nature, need an acre for my recipe. They got my soul, but I don't let them take the rest of me. My melody, a little like Kenny G's, it's heavenly. And my denim Taylor. Me in action rapping, I'll be fucking with the fader. Sipping mind eraser, actually. We rapping for the fuck of it. Taking money from you, gon' smack you out in public. You the Republican government. Abundance of substance, have a consumption of fuck a bitch. With your banana republic fit, go suck a dick. And your bitch looking like cousin It, the ugliest.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Groupie bitches wild enough to suck a baby's dick. Cadillacs is getting whipped 185th just for that sizzle. Gore-Tex in case of drizzle. I
said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Looking up into the clouds where the angels sit. They looking down, keeping watch till I'm dead. So how'd I get this red dot on my head?
Yo, I don't perform unless the money's in my pocket first. After rapping, take my people out for octopus. We all deserve it, dedication to the fam. Don't hold your hand out for nothing if you claim to be my man, damn. You see me peeling off a whip like when your mother stripped. Blow the dice, roll them shits, hit another trip. Shit, I'm on some shit. Hands are fucking hotter than the leather in the 6 in the summertime. I understand I'm only rhyming for this son of mine. And so my daughter could be a lawyer and reap the spoils. We ate the tuna and sway Puma. My look is Jay Buna. Doggy, cause some of us just age sooner. I'm still twisted, rocking lizards from a strange river. Forbidden jungle in the joint paper, point shaver. Check the bio. I fixed the game between Kentucky and Miami of Ohio. I've been wild. It must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Groupie bitches wild enough to suck a baby's dick. Cadillacs is getting whipped 185th just for that sizzle. Gore-Tex in case of drizzle. I
said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Looking up into the clouds where the angels sit. They looking down, keeping watch till I'm dead. So how'd I get this red dot on my head? Bitch, I'm not enough. I'm hot as wasabi sauce and constantly giving y'all a bit of this ambiance. I was a minor, chasing after vagina. None of my friends were fake, but none of my clothes designer. Went from posted on stoops to smoking on roofs. I came from that basement, now look at this view. Making this money, blowing it all. Fuck what you did, just show me results.
Yo, I'm a 635 dipper fly motherfucker. Leather to the foot. Horses, I led them to the brook. If you like to keep the chisel in the book. I see a lion in the mirror when I look. Look, I lose money but I make it back. I keep it true and ain't no motherfucking faking that. I get a fade and then I fade to black. Bet on the Razorbacks, I hold the multicolored flavor gat. Back.
It's not a facade, legendary status, try to match us. We monumental off the momentum through pink gripping, never slipping. My documents equal apocalypse. lives. Hope niggas down to deal with the consequence so they could be with pockets and show. At the pearly gates awaiting my fate, but I'm immortal, so forever I play. Come and try me, I'm feeling godly. Word to Deja, I'm from the land of the gators. Buffy Cardi's for the facial, I'm initiation. Demitting ritual slick like doodle bug. Niggas are scrubs, chuckle as I crumble a nug. Nonetheless, it's love, for sure it's thoroughly spread. Me and my people stick ahead, ain't got time for the drag. No concerning when you speak on the past. Walking paths of advancement till we capture the cash advances. Pay up, kicking nothing but that
real shit.
Word. Hold it down like that.
Stand down, nigga. The picture that I compose only reinvigorate what's already been foretold. The stories on my demise have been greatly exaggerated, but that's how the shit goes. So I let them talk, then come back and talk slow with John Ramble's arsenal. Let them go, we can let the record show. What's the difference between me and you? One bad move and you doing no-handed push-ups on the floor. What I got to prove? I got a lot to lose. I make them grown folk moves, this not for you. But I really appreciate y'all for stopping through. But we ain't chopping up shit if it ain't for loot. Hold up, Swiss cheese, operating different leagues. Operating, hit the streets, sticking up the newest producer for beats. Scream on it, take it back and charge them astronomical fees.
Hold me tight, get me dry. Then raise me up, now let's get high. Get the train, don't look at it. Now take the food and pass. There's no go on this, there's no joke in it. All day and night, it's all that she is holding. There's no go on it. No joke in it, yeah. All day and night, all that she is
going out to my true smokers. This one's for you. Newport token got me lifted like a bulldozer. Superman bag got me floating like I just smoked some shit from Samson. Gang got me choking. You be in a van rolling off that Cheech and Chong. Keep your balls, I'm straight with the cognac Philly. Wanna hit, don't act silly unless you put 5 on the sack, Willie. Smoke it with me if you got it. I smell it, let me inhale it. Trend setting, got a dealer roll for you. It's tight like fresh trim, all fluff, no stems. Nigga put flame to it.
It's no go on this. It's no go.